Hey there, Airbnb hosts. If you want to make a killer first impression and ensure your guests have a top-notch stay, then nailing that perfect bed is essential. So let's dive into how to make a bed like a pro. First up, gather your supplies. Fitted sheet, flat sheet, optional, pillows both standard and decorative, pillowcases, duvet or comforter, duvet cover or blanket, and a mattress protector if it's not already on. Ready? Let's go! Step 1. Start with a clean mattress. Make sure it's spotless and odor-free. Use a mattress protector to keep it fresh. If your mattress is showing some wear, give it a flip or a rotate to even things out. Next, time for the fitted sheet. Align the corners. Start at one end, then stretch it to the opposite corner. Secure all sides, making sure it's snug and wrinkle-free. If there's extra fabric, tuck it under neatly. Now, the flat sheet. This one's optional, but it adds a nice touch. Lay it evenly over the bed with the top edge just below the mattress's top. Fold the top edge down about 6-8 inches for that clean look, and tuck the sides and foot tightly under. Let's talk duvet or comforter. Give it a good shake to distribute the filling. Place it on the bed, making sure it's centered and hangs evenly. Fold the top edge down about 12-18 inches for a layered look with your flat sheet. Pillows are next. Insert the sleeping pillows into clean pillowcases and arrange decorative pillows or shams in front. Fluff and align them neatly at the head of the bed. For the final touches, smooth out wrinkles with your hands. If you've got a throw blanket, drape it at the foot of the bed. It adds style and functionality. Top it off with a light spritz of linen spray for a fresh scent. Remember these tips. Use high-quality linens, stick to neutral colors, layer for comfort, keep it simple with the decor, and always check for stains. Why does a perfect bed matter? It ensures guest comfort, creates a professional appearance, and makes a great first impression. Trust me, a well-made bed can lead to glowing reviews and repeat bookings. Pro tip: take photos of your beautifully made bed for your Airbnb listing. It shows off your attention to detail and can help you attract more guests. And there you have it. Happy hosting!